Hello, Karin here on behalf of Makers Mercantile with the top 5 things to look for in today's newsletter. Item number 1, Simplicity Spray. Simplicity Spray is basically HiKoo Simplicity on steroids. So HiKoo Simplicity is a superwash merino acrylic nylon blend that is very easy to care for, machine wash. You can accidentally tumble dry it and it doesn't hurt it. It's a great yarn, and with the spray technique, it just gives it a very tonal look. As you can see here, now this is a pretty rich color, but this is the spray technique in a bit of a lace pattern. And then over here, this here is one cake of the Simplicity Spray in a natural color. And you can see how gentle the color is, the changes because of the spray technique. This pattern is from Isabel Kramer, and it is actually called La Vie est Belle. So that is what one of the yarns we're featuring, have a little story on, is our Simplicity Spray. Item number 2, Baby Alpaca by BC Garn. So BC Garn is a Norwegian company, and they have this great baby alpaca. I'm not quite sure if you can see the depth of color. All their colors are a little bit of a melange, not all of them, but most of them, giving them a nice little halo of, like this blue has a little halo of a purple in it. Anyways, this yarn is 20% off this week, and not only is it 20% off, but if you purchase 4 hanks, and they're 50-gram hanks, you actually get this pattern for free. So this is the banana leaf shawl pattern, and it's really great. It's sort of oversized almost. If you want to show off that banana leaf pattern, you can just wrap it around like this and show it off like that. Or if you're like me and you just really want to stay warm, you can wrap this sucker around your neck many, many times and keep yourself nice and toasty in the winter. So that is our baby alpaca, made by BC Garn. And it is 100% baby alpaca. So remember, baby alpaca is not from baby alpacas. It simply means it's the top 1% of the fleece that is shorn, and it's usually the softest. Item number 3 on our list, if you want to get into weaving, we have these great little weaving kits. This here is a sample of an item that was made out of our weaving kit. Not only do you get this great tapestry loom, that is made by Pearl and Loop and has our logo in the middle, but you also get all these yarns that come with it and the photo so that you can create your own little piece. So when you get it, you're ready to start. You don't have to look for anything. Now they do call this the Stash Buster loom, and there's a reason for it. It's great for busting your stash. So once you've made, you know, a piece with everything that's in the actual bag, you can continue to use the loom to make yourself anything that you desire that can fit on the actual loom. You can get creative and you can make different pieces and sew them together as well. Lots of different things that you can do with it. We highly recommend this for children as well as adults, but for kids, it's a great little size for them to handle, to teach them how to weave. And we do know that a lot of children are being homeschooled right now, so this would be an art class. Moving right along, item number 4, we have our dye lab up and running, and one of our newest yarns is this one right here. So this here is a cotton, wool, and nylon blend, making it excellent for socks, good for shawls, or great for shawls as well. It is a 100-gram hank, and the colors are in a gold, red, a touch of fuchsia, which you probably can't see from there, all dyed on a white and black base. So there are little bits of white there. The black, of course, shows through all the colors, giving it even more depth. We have a very limited amount of these, but they are available online. Item number 5 has all to do with sheep. So we always have a fabric and buttons, and today is no different. This pattern here, this is a HiKoo yarn, it's a HiKoo fabric, so it comes from Japan, it's made in Japan. These sheep are about 9 inches across, they're pretty wide, so you're going to want to use this pattern probably on a big pillow or something, or my suggestion is to redo a sofa or a couch or something with it, because it's such a great pattern. Although I do recommend that you use the black in that case with the white sheep on it in case you spill something. You wouldn't want to spill on the white, so black would be better for that. And then for those of you who love sheep as much as we do too, we have these great buttons. These are also from Jim Knopf, and if you look at these really close, these are sheep buttons, and they have real wool on them. So they are like three-dimensional. They're made out of a coconut wood, and then they have extra holes where they have actually woven a wool boucle through. So all you need to do when you tighten it onto your fabric is use either a white wool on the white or a black wool on the black, or I guess if you want to have a spotted sheep, you could do the reverse. And then it will be completely filled in, and it'll look like a great little three-dimensional button on your clothing. So those are our things that we have in our newsletter today. Now, I had a feeling people might ask what I'm wearing, and of course you would, because I still have the tag on. Ha! So this is one of our garments from the shop. This is the Edie by Isabel Kramer as well. It is knit out of Zalba ball cotton, and this size uses 3 balls, just so you know. Anyways, that's it for today. We hope you have a fabulous week. We hope you survive the heat. We know it's really hot out here, and we will see you again on Friday. Ciao.